Hi friends, welcome to this channel, Sophia Sew and Pray. In this video, I'll be showing you a little of how I use my Treadle sewing machine. Hi friends, we are going to finish up my pants on this Treadle of mine. I just want you to see how the ladies back in the day used to do this. So, here we go. You have to excuse the screeching. I do have to put some oil and kind of maintenance today, but I want to finish this pants because I already finished the other set. All right. Oops. So this is how delightful it is to use a treadle. Sometimes I kind of because the good thing about using a treadle, it's exercise for the brain because you have to move your feet and you're thinking about your sewing and you have to stop and get the pin out the way and make sure everything is okay. But it is really good for brain exercise. I know reading is good for brain exercise and Cody and all those little games, but there's nothing like a Treadle sewing machine for brain exercise. And I'll show you the stitches when I'm done, nice and tight, and no need for backstitch. I does do backstitch right now. Oops, all right. The thread came out. But when it goes backstitch, to me, it always breaks breaks it. Okay. All right, let's proceed here. I'm almost done. All right. So yeah, it takes a little longer, but that's only when you feel like playing with your toys. And then this chair of mine, it just moves around so fast and it rolls. It's just... So yes, this is how delightful it is to use these precious sewing machines. So I'll be showing you the rest of this when I clean it up. It is clean. I think I want it this way. I don't really want to take out the the age look, but I do want to make this shine because it seems like some of the paint some came off and some right here. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I have to be very careful not to touch the details because I really do like the details. And looks like it's silver, but it has a little bit of kind of goldish look, and I would believe that is because of the paint, or it was gold, but it looks like it was gold and then some of it silver. The thing is that I don't want to scrub on it because I don't want to lose it. But yes, this is my Treadle coming back to life. I'm just using her up to make these outfits, and it's the outfit that I make is they are vintage look, and this pattern here is the Sew Easy Sew. No, let's get this right. See and Sew, and the number is Vintage1926, and I made both of these pants. The last one is this one that I made on the Treadle. These right here, I made it on my brother, but I figured I want to use my Treadle because I took her out to clean her out, dust her down, and I'm going to paint the right ends on the sides that says singer. I want to paint that in red. And then I was thinking gold, but it's between gold and red. So that's where I'm at right now. And then I kind of want to shine up this handle right here and give her a little bit more shine up here, because it has some kind of thick stuff. I believe it's kind of like a wax they put on it, so some of the wax is off and then it's the regular. So it's like I kind of want to get all the wax off and then just keep the natural, but I am afraid to erase the details. But yes, this is my amazing singer Treadle, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so very much. Don't forget to subscribe.